Hey guys, welcome. I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of my newest listing here in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. As you can see behind me, beautiful ranch style home, 3 full bedrooms, 1 level living, awesome backyard, fully fenced in. Obviously, you have some awesome things to see in here, which is why I'm here to take you in. It does have a newer roof, newer windows, public water, public sewer, really awesome taxes. So let's go check out 182 Spring Street here in Windsor Locks. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you loved this sneak peek tour. Coming on the market very soon here in Windsor Locks. This one is 182 Spring Street, and it comes on the market May 26th. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Give us a call here at Starr Team. Here's the number, and we hope you make it a great day.